Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use CapCut to create viral TikTok videos. I will be showing you a few methods and tools here. For example, if you want to create something that is related to, horror or something like wealth, you can go to the site Genesis that learning and then copy the site right here. Now, in order for you to generate AI transcription, you have to go to dub.ai, create an account, and then click this AI transcription and then paste that video link right here. So click this paste link and then you have to look for TikTok since we grab or get this link from TikTok. So tap TikTok and then paste the link right here and then transcribe. Now wait for a couple of seconds as it is transcribing everything here. Once done, and then what you're going to do is to simply copy the script and then go to ChatGPT. If you don't know ChatGPT, and then you just have to go to any web browser and then type ChatGPT, create an account, and then paste this. Now, before you paste this one, kindly type the word or rephrase and then paste words here. And then tap this arrow facing up. And what you're going to do is to simply copy each of the scene right here. Now you have to go and open new tab and then type Leonardo AI, create an account, and then look for image generation. We're going to paste these words or prompts right here to generate pictures related to the transcription. Okay, so tap image generation right here and then feel free to adjust the settings according to whatever you like. You want anime, realistic, everything is up to you. You just have to go to the left side and you will see here the setting and option. All you have to do is to tap this arrow facing down to look for that specific, setting that you want. So all you have to do here is to copy and then paste for you to generate picture. As you can see, it gives me 4 samples of picture and all I have to do is to download the picture that you like. So you just have to do it repeatedly. So go back to ChatGPT and then copy again the second scene and then paste it right here and then download the picture. So select from any of this picture right here, tap this download or arrow facing down. The next scene, copy, go back to Leonardo AI, paste it again, the prompt, and then generate, and then download the specific picture or pictures if you want. So once you have collected the pictures from Leonardo AI, you can also go to Midjourney if you have an account because I think Midjourney is limited. So you need to upgrade in order for you to use the great pictures and then generate more pictures right here. But if you don't have, then just stick with Leonardo AI. Now for voice generator, you can try this 11 Labs. Just paste this, the words that you copied from ChatGPT and then paste it to 11 Labs. Now if you can't get an access for 11 Labs, you can try other voice generator. There are tons of voice generator. When you go to Google, just type voice generator and then select one, create an account. And all you have to do is to generate speech, generate this, and then after that, you need to download this voice because you're going to need this to your CapCut or for your editing. Now, once you have your pictures, once you have your voice, what you're going to do is open CapCut and you can start your editing here. So import the voice and then go to auto caption. Okay, tap text and you will see their auto caption. And then after that, you just have to import pictures right here and feel free to edit, add effects. Everything is up to you. I know you can do better than this. So this is just a basic tutorial. So feel free to explore and then add some effects right here. So this is how you basically create viral videos. So you need to be very good at editing, of course. But if you use this CapCut, this is just a free tool. So you can use this if you like basic editing. So you just have to click the ratio if you want, and then add the picture, and then add, if you want to add more effects, more text, and then change something or add some voiceovers, do this, or feel free to do it on CapCut editing tool. So basically, this is a very basic tutorial about how to create or how to use CapCut to create viral TikTok videos. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.